In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix please check your connection and try again support code C14B on Snapchat. This error usually happens when Snapchat can't reach its servers due to network problems, VPNs, or app glitches. So the first thing that you may want to do is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then next is try turning airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Now, if you're using a VPN, make sure that you turn it off. Snapchat may block the connection. Also, make sure background data is enabled for Snapchat. And to ensure that, head over to Settings, then go to App List or App Management. Then here, look for Snapchat. Then next is click on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. And here you can see the background data setting. Make sure that you toggle this on. Then another way to fix the problem is by closing Snapchat completely. You can also try restarting your phone and update Snapchat from App Store or Play Store. But if it still doesn't work, that only means Snapchat's servers may be down. Just wait a few minutes and see if it's been fixed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!